Hi, bestie. It's Happy Mail Haul. It's a happy Friday, happy Galentine's Day for some happy mail. And you already know when a planner girl gets happy mail, it's just like Christmas all over again. So some are orders that I did place, Kaweco pens, some saving challenges, some planner clips, some designer inspired planner clips, and then my Gelatine's Day gift, on my list, I had like pens, coloring books, those type of things. So just can't wait to see what my planner bestie from Justice for Gems decided to get me. You already know, us planner girls, we love Happy Mail. How are you doing today? Hopefully all is well with you and yours. If you're new to my page, welcome. So I do planning, budgeting, and unboxing like my subscriptions and Happy Meal on my channel. So hopefully those things interest you, that you decide to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up. And when the video is over, please hype it up for me. Alright, so I can get into the algorithm. Alright, so this is my first Happy Meal. Okay. So here's the card. It does have the discount code there. And this is the LV designer inspired planner clip that I got. And let's see which one I got. Did you get any of the designer inspired planner clips that was released on Sunday? Let me know if you got anything and which one did you get. So I got the brown and chocolate one. So I got the key lock and the pink charm from her a few weeks ago. And I did an unboxing of that as well. Alright. So now I'm going to open up Simply Tea plans. From Simply Tea, I got saving challenges and planner clips for her. So let's go ahead and get into this. And I do want to give a special shout out for Simply Tea because I thought I had lost my pink tulip planner clip, and that's kind of like my aesthetic with my budgeting and my kind of stuffing at the moment. And I asked her, did she have any more of those pink tulips? And she said she would check, and she did have it. So I'm very grateful for her. Alright, so this is what I ordered, these planner clips, and they are so cute. When I saw she had black planner clips, I knew that's exactly what I wanted when I saw her new releases. And this is the pink tulip. So what had happened was when we had the snow ice storm, I had stayed with my daughter. I had some of my planner items, including, I had my budget planner, and then I did have the pink tulip planner clip, and when I got back home, I couldn't find it, and I thought maybe I lost it over my daughter's house, or my granddaughter had got to it. Here it is. So, she had this one extra, and I'm so glad to add it to my collection, because I can never have more than one, but I did end up finding the pink tulip. I ended up finding it, surprisingly. It was in some stickers, planner stickers. But I'm so glad that I have another one. And so I am a tea sipper. So I was excited when I saw the tea challenge that she created, and I definitely wanted that. I'm not a coffee girl, so if you ever have products with tea associated with it, I'm going to get it, because within the planner community, the cash stuffing, budgeted community, they focus on coffee. Everybody doesn't drink coffee. And I be trying to get people to make some tea items, because some of us love tea. I have my hot tea every morning. Alright. So let me get this package open here. Get this open. And this package here is from Galentine's Leather. Alright. I got all the things out. Let me move this. Alright, and this is, now that's a different shape box there. Let's see. This mess was in this little box. Okay. That kind of looks like the color of one of my green personal ring planners. Alright, so I got a pouch, and so my daughter knows my favorite, my favorite my favorite pen brand. She knows Kaweco Sport is one of my favorite pen brand. With Kaweco, meaning if you're new to luxury brand pens and those types of things, you might think Kaweco Sport only makes fountain pens, but they do have rollerball, ballpoints, and pencils. And they also have the highlighter, because I have a highlighter fountain pen too. So they do have different pens. Just in case if you're interested, if you follow me on my Instagram page, you will see where I will post a different type of Kaweco pens. And I've been collecting Kaweco pens, probably 10 years now. And the majority of my Kaweco pen collection is at my father's house. I only have a few here with me. I need to go to his house to get some of my items that I have over there. Alright. So, here is the pen that my daughter got me. And this is so pretty. This green, I'm not sure if you can see the justice, because I am filming this at night. And what I've learned within the past couple of weeks, my filming is so much better when I'm doing it during the day with the daylight. Alright. So if you're new to Kaweco Sport, if you get the fountain pen, they do include the ink cartridge inside of the pen, and you just have to snap it in. And typically the cartridge ink is blue. So if you don't like blue ink, make sure you order some black ink. But they'll have other color inks as well. Alright, so let me get my planner. And let's see if I can go ahead and pen test it to see how it writes. I'm not sure if it would write on this, and I'm not sure if the ink is flowing through yet. So let me make sure that it did click in here. And I just need for the ink to flow down into the nib. But I think I might have to get some other paper, because this paper right here is like vellum paper. And I've never tried to write on the vellum paper with my fountain pen. But I wanted to see would it write on here. And like I said, the ink has to flow through first. But let me go ahead and get my notebook or my other planner with some regular paper for that. Alright, let's see. I have to see if I might have to add some more inserts to this planner here, because I do have my notes in this page, and then my word of the year and some of my goals. So I might have to add some more paper, but let's see. Let's see if there's somewhere I can do a pen testing of my new Kaweco Sport. I don't think I do. Let's see, can I write on this? No. Yeah, I don't even want to write on the back of that. Let's see. No, let me go ahead and get some note paper to add. And sorry guys, I have ran out of storage. Alright, so I love how thin it is. And I'm not sure what size tip this is, but I like it. I like it, and I love this pen. If you're a fountain pen lover, let me know your favorite fountain pens in the comment area. And even if it's just like a roller ball, if you like roller balls, ballpoints, those type of pens, let me know which pens that you love in the comment. It doesn't have to be a fountain pen. Alright, so I'm glad to have this to my collection, and thanks to my daughter. Truly appreciate it. She knows exactly what I love. And I haven't had a new Kaweco pen. Oh my gosh. It's been a while since I've had a new Kaweco pen. Alright, so now that I've got all the those open, oh, I forgot about this one. This is from Simply Tea Plans 2. I should have opened this up with the other package. I was just so excited to get to the Kaweco pen. Alright, so let's go ahead and get this open and see what's in this package. So remember, I did place 2 orders because I forgot to leave a comment in her notes. So I did place 2 orders with Simply Tea. Alright, so here's a thank you card. And this, and I'll make sure to have her information in the description. And she left me this thank you note here. You're welcome, Simply Tea. And here's her postcard. Alright, let's see what else she got in here. This is the postcard. And information. Not sure if you can see that, but like I said, I have her information excuse me, in the description. Love this sticker here. Definitely gonna add this to my planner. And she's a pink girly, so she has all the pink things. She gave me this. This is perfect. Romantic hearts. And I got a paper clip. So I have some additional saving challenges. Flower child. Cool. The flowers on there are beautiful. Alright, so I have some planner clips. And these are freebies. Now, a few years ago, I don't know, probably about 5-6 years ago, I used to PR for this shop that only sold planner clips. So I have a lot of planner clips. And I used to be so obsessed with planner clips, and right now I'm getting back to that phase and obsession with planner clips. And the only reason why I stopped PRing for it because she ended up closing her shop, and I miss her. So now I just have some new planner clips added to my collection. I don't know, the planner clips adding to your planner, it's just so beautiful. Then plus, it marks where you at in your planner so you can have your different sections. But yeah, so if you want some planner clips, some saving challenges, check out Simply Tea. Alright, so let me move all of these out of the way, because now I need to make space to open up this big package, which is my gift from my fellow planner bestie. So with the planner group that I am in, Justice for Gems, that's on Facebook, they did the Christmas gift exchange. I didn't participate in the Christmas, and so I did do, is it Galentine? Let me know how you say it. So they did an exchange for that. So I don't know how long it's been in the mailbox, because I don't go to my mailbox daily. I don't be that pressed about the mail. So when I do go, that's why I'm opening all these things. Everything that I've opened today, I think it's been in my mailbox for a few days now, and I'm just getting to them. I remember I used to just run to my mailbox to get Happy Mail. Nah, I don't even do that no more. I get it when I get it. So, and I'm just so excited that I have it today. And it's perfect because I have more things. Oh my gosh. she got this coloring book that I had on my list. So with the gift exchange, it's through Esther, and you put all the different things that you like. Oh my gosh, you got this! And you don't know what they're gonna pick. Oh my gosh, I've been wanting this. For a long time. And then last year I was like, I want to start back coloring. And so I said, let me add this coloring book to my wish list. I cannot wait to get started on this. I am looking forward to coloring. And this right here, oh my gosh, I've been wanting this right here for so long. And I've been having it in my Amazon cart for a long time, but I would never commit to actually ordering it. I am so excited. This brand right here is one of my favorite brands with blackout planning, because I use the gold, silver, and white ink pens. And now I have multiple colors and I cannot wait to test them, and it includes black paper. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to do a pen testing with all these different inks. Oh my gosh, this just stole my heart, guys. This is the way to end a Happy Mail unboxing. And I am just so excited about this right here. This right here, let me go ahead and open this up. Oh my gosh. Like I said, I have the white, gold, and silver inks, and I don't have any other ink colors for this brand. So I cannot wait to try this out on black paper. And then it comes with black paper. Oh yeah. So yeah, I will be doing a pen testing soon. So make sure you have your notifications on so you know when I drop my next video. Have a blessed day, bestie. Toodles.